going to do the laundry because I have a strong flow of water. It's already 1 month and a half I have no flow of water here in the farm. Okay, so I need to hurry, guys. This water might stop. Okay, this is the blanket. I'm going to close. I'm going to hurry, guys. This water might stop. Good that there is always a little rain here, sometimes strong rain. So I can have water to use every day for washing through rain. Guys, it's Mama Lo. Guys, Mama Lo, paspas talaba guys, kay na ay tubig. 1 month na anihap, wala ko'y laba-laba kay wala ko'y tubig. Karon ni agas kung tubig guys. Laba ta guys, laba. Gabiin na guys, gabiin na. Bara ito guys. Oh, dapat taghabol guys. Dapat ta guys. May tubig guys. Ni ako sa farmhouse guys. Karon pa ko nakusugan og tubig ito pala. Na biddings ni guys, biddings. Okay guys. Thank you for watching guys. Hi guys. It's Pungkana. We're going to eat. We're going to bed. Okay guys. It's delicious. Very sweet. Okay. I'm going to sip only the juice guys. Tomorrow guys, it's Valentine's. Where are we going to have a date tomorrow? Well, some movie or eating in the restaurant or just what? Buying flowers, send somebody. Delicious. Mama Long.